pumpkins.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, we're going to be using that flavor, that pattern, that combination, the hands down award-winning vinyl from ECONOTRANSFERS. I call it Chameleon. I believe that's what they call it on the site. If you haven't, please hit the links down below. It helps the channel to grow. Hey, my brother just trying to survive here, y'all. But as you can see, I got my C hat on from the last video. And what we're doing today is a spin-off on one of my Grizzly Fit shirts. Now, you guys see me in a previous video do a dope shirt with the grizzly bear in the middle. So we're going to flip that reference and do a hope shirt, as you've seen in the B-roll. All that and more after the intro. Hey yo, have any of y'all heard about this right here? Yeah, this product, I've never heard of it. I actually just came across it and decided to buy it. I'm like, it's gotta work, because Silhouette Cameo is the bomb. So what this is a mint, and I did do some YouTube University searching over it. And basically you can make your own stamp and then stamp boxes and labels and things of that nature. But I didn't even know this thing existed. They didn't do enough promotion on it. So if any of you guys have used this, let me know something down in the comments section. Does this thing really work? So as you can see, I already have everything formatted and already cut. Hopefully you guys watched my last video when I did it. Actually, it's one of my top leading videos, so I decided to do a part 2 to it. And what that is the hope with the grizzly bear in the middle. And the colors is going to be the Chameleon HTV from ECONOTRANSFERS with a baby blue, almost like a teal around the edges of it. So this inside will be the Chameleon and the outside will be the baby blue. Yo, I'm cutting and it sounds like my engine on my Cameo getting ready to give out. Man down. I don't know what's going on, but I know this thing done got significantly louder over the last couple of videos. I did a little bit of comparison, and it's definitely louder. So, hey Cameo, Silhouette, what's going on? Hit me up and let me know what's going on. That definitely sounds like there's something wrong. As you can see, this Chameleon right now looks kind of yellowish, kind of pink, kind of purplish, fuchsia color. On the opposite side, it looks teal, kind of greenish, bluish. I'm not sure that iPhone can really pick up the quality of this transfer, but it is a Chameleon. It really turns color. So keep that in mind when putting this on a garment. Now I'm going to put this on a light gray, a light heather gray gilding, and see what that turns out to be. But it's going to take some of the color of the gray behind it. So I'm just as clueless as y'all. We're about to find out together if this is gonna work. So what you can see me doing right now is kind of resizing it. I should have did it all together at once, but we make mistakes. Hey, I make the mistakes so you don't have to. So just watch all my videos. You can see where I made mistakes and how easily I fix them. Right now, like you said, I'm doing a little behind the scenes work that's just happened to be recorded. And my layer has a layer on it, as you can see. I'm going to remove that out the way, actually. And just keep this part right here. But when cutting this Chameleon, your settings are going to have to be rather high because it needs to be good, clean cuts. Now see how all of that's all blotched out? We talked about this in the previous episode as well. Go back to design, make sure all is highlighted, like so. Go back to send, and hit cut. Some people are like, oh my God, I know it was on cut and it's still showing thick. Yeah, but you still need to hit that cut because some of it may not have registered. And like I said, I don't know what's going on with my Cameo, why it's so loud. But I did adjust my force to a 16. My speed is at a 5. My roll dial is going to be at a 4. Not a 5, 4. Come on now, don't be jumping all over the place. There we go. We're going to load this chameleon on into the silhouette. Let's see what it is. So you already know what time it is. It's time to weed. Whoa, look at that, y'all. Completely weeded like butter, like always. Shout out to ECONOTRANSFERS. But now we're getting ready to go ahead and layer this baby and see how it turns out. Remember, that chameleon is going to change colors. So it looks one way when it's not on the garment. That's from the back. This is from the front. But it's going to look different once it hits that gray. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, we getting ready to layer this puppy. And like I said, the colors did flip-flop on us. I haven't been touched yet with the heat, but just looking at it from different angles, as I see orange, I see pink, fuchsia. I mean, a couple different flavors, y'all. That's why this is the flavor of the month, the Chameleon HTV. But we got our heat press set to 320 degrees, and we're gonna press for 15 seconds. I think we're going to peel it while it's cool. I don't think I should peel it yet. I'm going to let that cool a little bit before we layer. Bring it away from the heat, actually. Let that cool a bit. That heat did change the colors on it, y'all. Just a little bit, but not too much. You look at it from one angle, it's like pink, purplish. I mean, greenish, orangish. It's just a whole bunch. It's a chameleon. Got the blue on there, covering it on up. Yo! I think that came out pretty dope. What y'all think? Especially for me winging it, you know what I'm saying? That flavor, that pattern of the month, that chameleon, it really did a number on this shirt. And like I said, I didn't know how it was going to turn out, being that it was going up against a darker color shirt. That's interesting to know. So if you like this one, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe, comment, like. And to all my new followers and YouTubers that's out there that's trying to get into the business, get out there and do it. Stop thinking about it, stop contemplating about it, and just get into the grind of it. Shout out to all the people that prayed for my brother, as we are just now crossing the curve to where we're going to find out exactly what type of cancer it is. And on that note, y'all, to the next one, I'm out.